Hi, this is Sangeeta again, talking about a performance that I had about 8 years back when I was in Meghalaya, where we were supposed to install a 239 Common Services Center under the National E-Governance Plan, wherein we were supposed to connect 239 Common Services Center to a central server whereby the remotest client of the state will be able to um, access his or her own documents from the central server without having physically to come to Shillong, the central city of the capital city of Meghalaya. So communication was very poor in Meghalaya beyond Shillong, 50 kilometers of Shillong. So it kind of took more than a day for somebody to come, get the work done, and then return the same day. It usually was taking them 4 to 5 days, and also there was no guarantee of getting the work done in the same day, even if they managed to travel the same day. So it was quite a saving of expenses for the remotest client who usually were poor, and it helped them to access the documents anytime they want. So there are few land documents which are required in 6 months time. Every 6 months they require the same document. Birth and death certificates are required. So there are few documents which are regularly required for these clients to access any bank loan or for any purpose, like say admission purpose, or some of them are going abroad to study. So lot of purposes are there wherein people require these certificates to be done. So this service, this common services center, were kind of supporting these people's requirement in a great manner. So the problem initially was about connecting these remotest place with the central server. So Meghalaya being a hilly area, irregular terrain, it was very difficult for setting up broadband and this telephone connections. So what we did was we initiated data cards, right? We gave data cards to every center, and uh, those were enough to connect the internet and do the work. Um, at times, at some places, what happened? Um, this some of the centers were situated just down below the hillside. So those places were difficult places where this wave shadowed portions were there. So we needed VSAT for those places. So VSAT is one instrument. It is an infrastructure kind of thing. It's a huge structure to be installed with an umbrella shaped receiver, which actually opens up to the sky to receive those signals. And those were initial days of like say receiving signals and all. So that was the arrangement that time, and it was very costly. So we from our company actually purchased five, but since we were able to connect all these data centers with data cards, and which was very cost effective, and we also managed to give five visits. So Meghalayan government actually could donate 42 visits to various centers, various difficult centers where these signals were very difficult to be received. So that was a great achievement for us, and we did that with a focused mind, and talking to a lot of people, and uh, kind of our approaches to various departments, and winning their trust, confidence, and they were also convinced with our genuineness that we would be able to do that, and we proved that with our intention and also action. That is how we won their confidence. And this entire document, including this technology department, the telephone department, the rural area development department, the urban development department, and the chief minister's office also. So we could influence so many people with um, just just a little intention that we had, and also we demonstrated our intention with some action point, wherein we invested from our side to show them that this is the proven way to go forward. And that is it. And this is how within say 2 years of time we established all these 239 centers across Meghalaya, a difficult state then, like Meghalaya. So that is how actually we can achieve the best. So it is thinking on the spot and taking the action is what leads to performance optimization, which is our subject. Hope this helps. Thank you.